So this is my 1991 Datsun pickup. It's got a TD27 naturally aspirated diesel. And today I'm going to be replacing motor mounts. So these motors have been made from 86 all the way to 08 in some places in the world. This was never available in North America, but I bought mine secondhand and it was import. So over here, I've got a bit of a shake when I turn on the vehicle. So just looking to eliminate that. So this is the passenger side, which would be the driver's side in North America. It is right there. And last week I replaced this one. So it's a little bit tight for the, I guess this would be North American passenger side. You have to get a special wrench that flexes and also ratchets. Um, 14 millimeter. That's all you need to get her done. Maybe I'll insert a picture of what the old one looked like, but this is the passenger side. For my vehicle, it's the driver's side, but I'll call it the passenger side from now on, just because we're in North America. So this one was completely gone. It was metal on metal, and the entire vehicle would shake violently when you turned it on, and even when you're idling. So this one doesn't look as bad as the one I replaced before, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Here's what the new one looks like. Big difference. I had to order these in from Thailand, not available in Canada. Although they might be using these on other North American Nissans. About half the parts seem to be interchangeable. That's the motor mount there. So there's a little bit of room there, over here. I can feel that pull too. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. It was actually easier to loosen it from the top here. Now it's fully loose. From up here I can reach this one as well on top of, can't really see that well. There. So I can reach the top one now from this angle. So I was actually able to reach in from the top. Super easy to take out those two bolts through this opening here between the air intake, and it looks like a rad hose just in there. But the front one I'm going to tackle from the wheel well, like I already showed you. So this one was a little bit tighter than the other ones. That's okay. I really like these ratcheting, angling wrenches, whatever they're called. It's a lifesaver. For tight corners, angles. Okay, that's just loose now. Alright, now it's loose. So there's no real great spot to jack up your motor. I'm going to jack it up on the oil pan, not applying too much pressure, just enough to twist the motor a little bit to wiggle it out. See, it's loose. So close. Oh. So it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's like 90 times better than the old other one. Like, this entire area was missing on the other side. Well, let's go ahead and put the new one in. So comparing the one I just took out to the one I bought, there's a few differences. This old one has this metal part here. This one does not. It looks like overall it should fit though. The holes seem to be in the right spot. So let's put it in. Okay, so I had to do some gentle persuading to get this motor mount, this bottom bolt to line up properly. I had to pull with a wrench. Oh, it's not really focusing well. I had to pull the motor kind of in that direction to make it line up. And I actually had to loosen this side as well to get this side in. Thinking about it now, this one, these motor mounts might have been for a later version than this one, considering it's 91 and they made these from the 80s until the 2000s. So there'd be slight differences. So that might be what's going on. But I got it in, and it's installed now. Here's a view of it from the top. It's a little bit crooked, but I think it'll be fine. And from the wheel well, yeah, you can see it's a little, well, I think it's good enough. There's a little bit of a gap there from this part twisting on me. So yeah, follow along for more Datsun and Nissan adventures as I work on my two trucks. Oh.